How to change language on Facebook app. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you want to make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are inside the menu, scroll below and then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, simply tap on Settings. Now once you are inside Settings and Privacy, scroll below and then under Preferences, you'll find Language and Region. Tap onto it. Once you do so, you'll land in this page. Simply tap on a language you'd like to have post translated into. And just like so, you want to go ahead and select the language that you would like. And then once you do that, simply tap on the Save option above English. And that is how you can easily change language on Facebook app. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.